Everyone, welcome to another video of mine. So this video is going to be a bit different, not a different, it's like you have got, but for me, I'm just trying to swatch like my first ever autumn slash winter lipstick video favorites. So lipstick favorites now in autumn winter when the weather is like quite dull outside, so you really want, like, the jazz up a dose of or a punch of color in your makeup to boost your spirits. So although we are all at home, so I'm not going to say that you need to have these lipsticks, but anyone who is going to like try and indulge some of the nice shades of the autumn winter, I think these lipsticks are going to be a good addition to your wardrobe. Or the people who are like, who can relate to my skin tones or who are somewhere closer to my skin tones, then I think you can get a better idea if you want to splurge in any of these. Now, sorry for this, I've tried to recommend as much as I can, so I'm just narrowing it down to 7. I have got loads more favorite for like the bright colors of the lipsticks, which is going to be suitable for the Indian wedding seasons, like, or for Indian party seasons, or any Indian festivals, or festivals in general, for Christmas or anything like Thanksgiving, so whatever. Or maybe just a casual dinner at your home, just if you want to just dress up in a good color of lipstick. So I think this is going to be really helpful for you. Without further wasting time, just let's get into the video. So the first one is one of my dear favorites. It's like the Smashbox Disorderly, one of my most favorite winter shades, or the autumn shades, you can say. I love this lipstick, I love it. This is from the Smashbox liquid lipsticks line. You can see it's on my lips right now. So this is, if I'm going to describe the color, this is going to be like the perfect red with a hint of brown in it. Very nice, very unique color. It suits mostly all the skin tones, especially for Indian tan, Pakistani skin tone. It's beautiful, but I'm going to say it's going to really suit all the skin tone, at least this time of the year when Christmas is around the corner. So I think this is a very good, nice Christmassy color. So this is Smashbox Disorderly, my first recommendation. Now the second recommendation is going in the lines of reds. Let me show you another one. This is the Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick called Showgirl. Now this, if I'm going to show you really next to so this is not a very good swatch. So this is Showgirl and this is Disorderly. Now Showgirl is a lipstick, again, it's very long lasting, but if you're going to see, if the light is going to, I think it's going to be visible nicely. This has got specks of gold in it. I'm not going to say it's a golden glitter, but one of those ombre effects. So this really gives an ombre effect. As you can see, the light is going to show and you can see the color, you can see the reflection. Very finely milled and very comfortable on the lips. So I'll just show you. It's a Showgirl. As you can see, quite nice red, not very dark maroony red, but red with a hint of gold in it. Quite flattering for this time of the year. Now my next is going to be again one of the Huda's from the Huda's line. This is called their demi matte in the shade Shekha or Shikha, and again very nice, one of a very nice shade. Not only throughout the winter, but good for summers as well, but I'm like autumn. So this is, you can see, but nevertheless you can wear this shade throughout the year. In fact, all of them you can wear this throughout the year. So this is from the demi matte line, and this is like the perfect pink with a mauvey shade, a pinky mauvey shade, if you're going to have a look. Very flattering for Indian skin tone. So this is Shekha. You can see this. And this is again from Huda. Sorry, I've got 3 from Huda today. And this is in the shade like Bachelorette. I'm not going to say this is a winter shade. This is going to be more suitable, for the summer months, because this is bright pink, but I love wearing this sort of shade around Christmas as well. So this is why I have included this in this video. This is the shade called Bachelorette. So this is Bachelorette. You can see this is like the bright pinky shade, like the perfect, you can wear it in the summer days. But some of the bright shades. So this is, you can see, this is Bachelorette, like the proper pink, bright pink. So the next one I have got is from Fenty. And this is a shade called Thick. Again, this is based on, if I'm going to show you, this is like based on the brown with the hint of red in it. A reddish brown sort of shade, I can say. Not a brown in a brown or not in a red. This is the shade called Thick. Oh, no, sorry. This is the shade called Spanked, sorry. So this is Fenty Beauty Spanked. As you can see on my lips, it's like the proper reddish with the hint of brown in it. And like very flattering. So this one is Spanked. Very flattering for all the skin tones across the body. You can see, have a look. This is like reddish with brown. So this is the next recommendation. If you're going to look for, if you don't want something like which is going to be red in your state, you're hesitant from red, or if you don't want brown, so this is a very nice recommendation. Spanked, Fenty's line. This is one of the bullet lipstick. And so the next one, now coming to the dark ones, which I have got you to show. And the dark ones is like, I have got four of the dark shades. I'll just try to move it as fast as I can. And this is the one of the more popular shades called Chili. Very popular from MAC line. And this is like the proper wintry shade. This is like the red with, you have got reds and red with a bright red. I'm not going to say this is an orangey red, and it's like a blue based red, but not a straight blue. You can see like this is like proper, but a proper red. This is not a very good swatch, but as you can see from this lipstick, it's like, it's marvelous. It suits across the skin tones, I mean, it's very nice. We can have a look. This is like from the matte range, Chili, and one of the most flattering shades. If you're looking for a nice red lipstick, you do not want to go for Ruby Woo. You want to try something like, a bit of toned red. It is a bluish red, but a toned down version of Ruby Woo. So you can look for Chili. Winter's special video is not complete without showing you Ruby Woo. So the next one is Ruby Woo again. This is from their matte line again. Is like the proper, if you're going to talk about a blue based lipstick, if you blue reddish lipstick you want to have, you can really go and check out Ruby Woo. Very nice, very flattering. This is Ruby Woo. I used to wear this lipstick a lot whenever I'm like doing an Indian makeup or Indian festival time. I really used to team up with my lehengas, my sari, my salwar kameez. So very nice, very flattering. A very nice blue based red is this Ruby Woo. So I used to love it, but now because it's a bit matte, not a bit matte, after some time it really tries to linger on my skin tone. And so I'm just, one is from Estee Lauder, I think they are, and one is from MAC. So this one is from Estee Lauder, and you can see, and this is the shade number 304 called Quiet Riot. Again, a very nice burgundy. I'm not going to say this is a straight up maroon. I'm going to classify as a burgundy reddish sort of shade. Again, very flattering for this time of the year. So I'm just going to show you, very suitable, very apt for this time of the year. And this is from their newer line called the Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Color. And this is a weird name, Make Love to the Camera. I'm just going to swatch it near to this one so that you can get an idea. You can see this one is the Estee Lauder one, like, which is the burgundy, and this is like straight up like the chocolate or with the hint of maroonish, like crimson. This is this. This is such a beautiful lip color, guys. I mean, only one color from the whole line, whatever I have showed you. Disorderly, no, I can recommend you to Disorderly and Make Love to the Camera. Beautiful. You can see the swatch. It's a perfect deep, like, you know, reddish brown or maroonish or chocolate brown. It's not chocolate brown, sorry. It's like the perfect maroonish shade, very flattering. So this is my recommendation for autumn winter lip color. Hopefully you find some useful ideas in this video. And if you do like this video, then do give a big thumbs up. And thank you once again for watching. And do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you again for your support. Bye.